started doing research for a number of years on how to support parents and how to help them reach those better outcomes. And one of the things that we discovered, one of the simplest ways, is to have parents read with children for about 5 minutes during a visit. It creates a bond, creates better cognitive functioning. We were able to do a book fair, and our community partners came together and got us 500 books plus, so that we've been able to give kids books during visits. We've been able to connect parents to books. It is a very difficult transition time. Some of our kids have witnessed domestic violence. Some of them have experienced a parent that's struggling with substance abuse or mental health issues. Some of them saw a lot of conflict between mom and dad. Some of them might not even know mom or dad. So they might have been separated for an extended time, or in the case of some of the dads that come through our program, they never had the opportunity to really bond with that child. So sitting with them with a book allows them to share an experience and build a new memory and create that connection.
So every year we encourage our clients, our parents, to complete a customer satisfaction survey. And then analyzing the survey and looking at their feedback, it was obvious and clear to us that they had great difficulties in connecting with their children in an artificial environment. And they were asking for more tools and resources to make these visits more meaningful. So we decided to investigate offering parent coaching and parent education programs. And as a result, we were awarded a grant, which allowed us to train all of our case managers, which is 4, and lawyers, so 5 staff members, to become certified public parent educators. And so that we can equip our parents, our clients, with education and the skills necessary to make them better connect with their children. And during this training, we discovered reading. And reading is a highly effective activity that parents and children can do together that will help improve their relationships. And reading is simple, it's fun, and all you need is books.
So as you can see, we got lots of books, and we display them proudly, and we encourage kids to pick out their own books when they can. But we also try to match books with specific parenting lessons. So for instance, if a parent's having difficulty helping a child through emotional regulation, we have Monster Feelings, right? So Monster Feelings is a great book that helps kids connect their feelings with ways to respond and emotionally regulate. But it's also helping the parents learn that skill as well. It's got some skills. I've learned some things from these books. So staff spend a lot of time reading these books, and we have interns that come in and read these books. And we try to connect things so that it's fun. So if you love Harry Potter, we've got Harry Potter, and we've got lots of activity books to go with Harry Potter. If you're interested in maybe the Babysitters Club, we've got the Babysitters Club. We've got lots of books that reflect different communities. We really tried to, when we did the book fair, find those books that look like our families. So you can come in and find a book that looks like you.
And especially we looked for books that had different languages and that reflected different cultures. And we were fortunate to find all books in all different age groups, from babies, toddlers, to teens, and everything in between.
And so it's really a wonderful opportunity. So kids have a say in this, parents have a say in this, and staff has to know what's available so that we can make suggestions, and we can kind of nudge and find the right book for the right child. And it's probably the most intimate parent-child moment that you can capture, in 5 minutes time, right? It's a way to build in a nurturing routine and really support those coaching lessons that we're doing with some of the parents. If you're interested in helping the program, we're always looking for small art crafts and kits and books as well. If you have gently used or new books, you can contact me at, our number is 703-246-4642.